Kabiru Babangida, the branch manager of Nasara branch. We attended this training on Pocket MBA on strategic leadership, and we have enjoyed it. We learned more. They told us on teamwork, told us on growth of oriented culture, focus, and so many things. So the facilitator, Prof, he had done well, and we are very grateful. Thank you very much.
My name is Aminu Moi. I'm the zonal head in charge of Northwest of Unity Bank. From the manager grade, I'm manager, branch managers to the branch service managers, to have a refresher and understanding of leadership. And I'm pleased to say that the program was very fantastic. We have learned a lot, and it's a very good wake-up call for all of us. We really appreciate it, and we have learned so much, like I said. This is a Harvard standard, let me just put it that way. Skyline University have really tried to give us this as corporate social responsibility. We appreciate our collaborative partnership with the university.
My name is Aisha Lawangana from Unity Bank. I am the regional manager, Kano North. I'm here for Intelligence Strategic Leadership Training Program, and the program was very interesting and well understood. It was straightforward, and we really appreciate the opportunity given to us. Thank you so much.